All right, y'all, closing up shop for the season, December 20th. And here's my 24-foot trailer I bought for $1,000 used. Got all my mowers. Got the 52-inch Bobcat, 42-inch Bobcat right there. You can see in the back, I got that Exmark 36-inch, what do you call it, walk behind mower. Got my Edger, Kombi unit string trimmer, 2 string trimmers right there. Got my other Edger right there. Got my Kombi unit attachments, the extra string trimmer, the hedger. Got my handheld hedger, pole saw attachment. See my chainsaw over there? Okay, so yeah, I am closing up for the rest of the year. Okay, my last lawn care service was yesterday, which was Friday. I had 4 customers that had a mulch lease for. Other than that, y'all, I'm done for the season. Okay, I'm gonna go and relax, enjoy the time with the family, enjoy my time with my dog. Unfortunately, Chuck was diagnosed with cancer yesterday, so that's how we're ending the year, y'all. So keep him in prayers. He is an awesome dog. He's a Rottweiler. He is lovable. He's a big teddy bear. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna close up. Here we go. Oh yeah, and we got the Echo 9010 blower right there. Okay, I do also have an Echo what's it called, 510? I forgot what it's called. Anyway, it's all the way back there. Bam, close up, y'all. Hey, wishing everybody a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And at all times, never quit or give up. Hey, see you next year. God bless. Bye.